Hey to everyone over at Salon, and thanks Marlene for taking the time out to chat with me on Friday. I'm pretty sure you were pretty slammed. My name is Viola Barnett with Generational Leads, and in this video, I'm going to go over with you 3 things that you can do to help generate some more traffic and some more business towards your company, and in result, some more revenue to your pockets. So the 3 things I want to go over with you are content, citations and backlinks, and keywords. Citations and backlinks go hand in hand, so I'll explain how that is step 2. But let's go ahead and get started. So, content. First of all, I want to say you have a lovely, lovely looking website page. I love how fresh it looks. I love how diverse it looks. It looks amazing. The concern, though, is that when Google takes a look at your page, Google doesn't notice photos. Google doesn't notice the freshness of it. Google pays attention to keywords. And that's very, 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 very important. So the main thing is you want to get your homepage upwards of at least 1,500 words on your homepage, so that way Google can optimize it, because the more words that's on there, that's what Google acknowledges when it comes to people searching for your site and finding it. I'm gonna go over to this. Let me show you this here. This is called Ahrefs. This is a site that I use that I'm able to, lost you there. Let me go back. There you go. All right, this is a site that I use that I'm able to see exactly how people are doing. So right here where it says organic traffic, you guys see you're getting 714 clicks on Google per month. All right, and you want this to be a lot higher. That way you can get more traffic in the door. These numbers here, as far as your URL domains and your rating domains, your domain ratings, your domain ratings. This is on a scale of 100, and you want this to start leading upwards of towards 100. You'll notice these circles will start to get filled. But really what I want to talk about first are these organic keywords. So you have 622 organic keywords on your site, which are all these keywords you see here. And basically this is telling you the amount of times that someone is typing in, specifically for selfsalonbrooklyn.com, typing in any of these keywords on Google, and they're finding you. 25 clicks for Self Salon Brooklyn. You see that there. 25 clicks. All right, then you have haircut. Well, haircutting near me, that's very general. You notice they just have a link there, so that's very general. But when you go to Self Salon Williamsburg, Self Salon Bushwick, etc., so these people are specifically putting that in. But if you go to Google, which I did here, and I just put in hair salons Brooklyn, New York, and what you see, here we go, hair salons Brooklyn, New York, and the first thing you see here is the map pack. Now I'm going to go over how you can get into these top 3 in the citation, because right now Hair & Co., your competition, is up there, and so is Fox and Jane Salon. So I want to show you Fox and Jane Salon. So this is Fox and Jane. And first thing I noticed about Fox and Jane, yeah, they're fun, they're quirky, but they don't have any keywords on their page. They don't have anything, really. No words, no content, etc. Yet they're still beating you on Google as far as ranking higher. Here you guys are at number 9, okay, and Fox and Jane are up here at number 6. So why are they beating you, right? Let's take a look at their information in Ahrefs. Okay, so when you take a look at their organic keywords, they have 1,900 keywords on their page. You remember what I said? Google acknowledges over 1,500 words. That's when Google starts to optimize you and starts moving you up the rank. Take a look at their organic traffic, 5,000 clicks a month. Okay, you notice that this is pretty low, and that's because of these backlinks. I'll explain that to you in a sec. And they're referring domains. But however, they're still upwards on the ladder, and that's pretty much where we want you to be, so that way you can start putting some more revenue in your pocket. Hopefully you guys can handle some more customers, because that's exactly what's going to happen once we start changing this dynamic right here, because this right here is going to change along with it too. Okay, now let's talk about the last thing I want to go over, and that is those are backlinks and citations. So I'm going to go back to Google. When you go up the page here, the first thing you see are these 3 in the map pack. We call this the map pack. Citations are basically places throughout the web that have your name, address, and phone number, such as Yelp, Yahoo, um, even Facebook has citations on it. All these different directories, basically, where they have your first name, last name, and phone number. Nobody really clicks to view more or view all. They kind of stick within the first three. And I know you're wondering, how do I get within those three? Basically, all you have to do is get more citations on your page. Basically, get yourself into more directories, and I can explain exactly how to do that, so that way you guys can move up and you could be in that map pack that we saw right here. Now, the last thing I wanted to go over with you are backlinks. Backlinks right here, you have 1,300, somewhere upwards of 1,400 of backlinks. Backlinks are basically, in a nutshell, it's two sites. One site, site A pointing to site B. And giving it link juice, basically juicing it up. So let's say your site is site B, and there's another site that's connected to your site, but there's a link, such as a blog about hair in Brooklyn, and then there's your website on their blog linking back to you. You know, does that make sense? So you guys have 1,300 backlinks, which I think is pretty awesome. That's a good amount. Let's take a look at your competition. They have 4,000, upwards of 4,800. So obviously, to beat the competition over time, we'll get the backlinks up. But honestly, once we get these organic keywords up where it needs to be, get your homepage updated, as far as just getting that information in there, you're going to start seeing a lot of this traffic, a lot of your traffic increase upwards towards, we could start taking this 5,000. You know, start looking in this direction, and then you'll get a lot more revenue. Look at this, they get 22,000. This is their traffic value so far. So again, my name is Viola Barnett, and I'm with Generational Leads. If you find that this information was pretty helpful for you, thank you so much for taking the time out to chat or to listen to me, and give me a call at 718-702-2843. I would love to tell you more about it. Thanks again, and have a good day.